Okay, we are going to get gas in the car and get some Starbucks because I didn't sleep Thursday night and I didn't sleep last night, and I have some videos I need to make today, so we are going to, that's a cool dog, so we are going to get Starbucks. Phil is being extremely nice, he always is anyway, but I was like, I'm going to Starbucks, you want to ride along? And he's like, I'll go with you because you're already dressed up and you don't need to pump gas. I'm wearing a t-shirt and leggings. He's wearing a t-shirt and jeans, so neither one of us are dressed up, but he's got a new shirt on that we picked up. It says, I go, something along the lines of, I go where I want, I do what I want, when I want, as long as my wife okays it. Which made me laugh, but we do pretty much everything together anyway, so there really isn't a whole lot that neither one of us does without the other. So, but that's what we're doing today. I'm going to do a couple of videos, and I want to hit Home Depot. We need a new kitchen faucet, and I want to redo my office. So that's what's on the agenda for today.
Ours and theirs. Like,
Oh, that's new.
Are you guys here for the car behind you?
Yeah. This
they're probably back there complaining. What's taking
makes
so
me
long?
incredibly happy. Incredibly, incredibly happy. And so does he.
Then we have to escape before they can thank us. Because that's not the point.
No, it isn't the point. Just want to take a quick second and say, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you could, please let the video play all the way through. It really helps the analytics at YouTube. I was really surprised at the number of people that were in Home Depot, or I should say the number of cars that were in the parking lot at Home Depot. Most of the spots up toward the front are reserved for handicaps, so I just was really surprised at how full the parking lot was. There really wasn't a lot of parking spots available. They were letting people in small numbers, but there were no people waiting in line, which to me meant the vast majority of these people were inside the store. We just went home. I wasn't ready for that. Too big of a crowd. So we're going to go home and start the housework and look at how dusty and dirty things are. It is unbelievable. So the first thing I'm going to do here is show you some before shots, and then we're going to go start cleaning. But for those of you that think that just because we don't have a cluttered house means our house is cleaned, it is not clean. Look at all that dust. Ugh. So the first thing I'm going to do is tidy up and get some things put away and get them moved out of the way. But I'm getting the itch to switch the living room up a little bit. So a big shout out to Ashley at Till Vacuum Do Us Part for giving me that itch to switch. I think the house looks a lot better, but you guys will have to let me know as you watch the video. Stay tuned to the whole video so I can show you everything I did and let me know what you think. It's pretty embarrassing when you dust your furniture and it changes colors. I was like, I can't even show this. This is just gross. But you know what? It's real life. It's what it was. So it's how I cleaned it. And you're seeing exactly how bad I had let it go for, and it really wasn't that long. It was only a few days, but man, it's windy here and the dust just flies in, and that's what it looked like. But it's all cleaned up now and I feel a lot better. You guys, I love my leather furniture. I really, really do. It's so easy to keep clean. If I spill something, it wipes right up. If there's dog hair on it, I can brush it right off. It does get dusty, but it's easy to just Swiffer the dust off of it, and I like that. And it makes me wonder how much dust and dirt actually accumulates in the fabric of a traditional couch, but since I don't have one, I'm not going to worry about that anymore. And here I am with that itch to switch. So we're going to move things around a little bit. With the chairs straight, I think they poke out into the room a little bit too much, but when they're angled, I don't like how that chair works with that little chair on the other side of the fireplace. It just looks odd. So I'm wondering if I take one out, what it will look like. And I do have to fidget with things around. You guys let me know what you think about the final arrangement, what you like or what you would have done differently. I've been wanting to have more upholstered and comfortable chairs at the table since we sit at the table so much, and when we do, we tend to stay there for a long time, doing puzzles, doing work, visiting with family, that kind of thing. But it never occurred to me to use actual living room chairs at the kitchen table. But I tried this, and you guys, I have to say, I love it. So don't be surprised if you see me replacing the wood chairs with these upholstered chairs. Is anyone else finding random Christmas items still roaming around their house? No? No? Me either. today's world with oversized cups and mugs, I find a lot of the traditional coasters are just too small for our purposes. So we use these glass trays that are intended to be candle holders, but we just use them as coasters. And I like them because they're not obtrusive. They're not any big design that I have to worry about matching or coordinating or coming off when I wash them. They're just see-through glass, and I think they're pretty. They catch and reflect the light, and they're pretty, and they look nice when they're clean, but they're getting a little gunked up, so it was time to wash them up. I love vacuum tracks, you guys. I absolutely love vacuum tracks. And I've talked about how much I love my new vacuum. And if you follow Missy at Love Missy XO, she also has this vacuum and she raves about it. So check her out if you don't follow her as well. This vacuum is fantastic, and it comes with 2 filters, a regular filter and a Febreze filter. So every time you vacuum the house, it smells amazing, and I love it. I really, really love this vacuum. Picked it up at Walmart, and it wasn't even really expensive, especially when you compare it to like a Dyson or a Shark. It was very, very inexpensive. And here's the best part of any cleaning video, or really any cleaning job that you do once you get it done, is taking a look around and seeing how it looks when you're finished. You guys let me know what you think of the new arrangement in the living room and what I did with those other 2 upholstered chairs. I'm really interested to hear your opinion and your thoughts on how that worked out and whether or not I should buy more for the same purpose. Look how clean the stove is. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon. Have a great day.